Welcome to our guide on Jumptask, your go-to platform in 2025 for flexible earning opportunities as an international student. Jumptask is designed to connect students with a variety of tasks that match their skills, making it an invaluable resource for international students. First, let's talk about how to optimize your Jumptask profile. Use a clear photo, craft a compelling bio, and highlight your skills to attract better tasks. Manage your time effectively with a schedule. Allocate specific hours for Jumptask tasks and your academic studies to stay balanced. When searching for tasks, filter results to align them with your skills and interests. This increases your chances of successfully completing tasks. Networking is crucial. Engage with the Jumptask community by joining forums and groups to find collaborators and mentors. Effective communication with clients is key. Be clear, concise, and professional in your interactions to build strong client relationships. Leverage the feedback and reviews from clients. Use this information to improve your future tasks and build your reputation. Juggling academics and Jumptask work can be challenging. Set priorities and be sure to allocate time for both to keep stress levels low. In conclusion, we encourage you to explore Jumptask. It's a flexible and rewarding opportunity tailored specifically for international students like you.